So guys, we reached here at Logot Fort and we have parked our bikes here. And that is the entrance for the Logot Fort. So we are going up now. So see you guys there. These are the steps and we are climbing up the Logot Fort. Say hi guys.
Hi,
Hello.
We are already exhausted.
We are already exhausted and it's been only like 50 steps and there are 400 more to go.
Guys, what about the monkeys? It was really freaking, man.
Exactly. The monkeys were following us and we got very scared.
Yeah, we had some snacks. They came us to snatch up the
Yeah.
all the
We were almost
cameras.
we were almost there to eat biscuits and the monkeys followed us to eat the biscuits snatched from us. Guys, this is a view from up here. We climbed up from there and little more steps to go, and that is the fort as you can see.
We want to have some biscuits?
No. And this is the view from here. Slow them down. Look at the yeah. We climbed it in like 10 minutes, no?
Well, an historical fact.
Yeah.
Points like
What's
these
that?
are called kadelot. Points like these are called kadelot.
Yeah.
Where they
From here, the prisoners have been pushed down
Yeah.
or kicked down
For the punishment.
as a part of punishment, right?
of death,
That is called fatality.
death penalty.
Imagine this was built by Shivaji Maharaj in 16th century.
Yeah.
Huh? And look at the new monuments built by our government of India. Piece of shit.
So we almost reached here. It's very slippery. Be careful, guys.
I can say just one thing. Hats up to our ancients. They were real engineers. And look at this piece of shit here. The new engineer.
It's very slippery.
Hey guys, I think we should have some peace here now. What's that?
This is Ganesh Darwaja.
Hey, wait, guys. Guys, wait. Guys, wait.
It's very heavy.
I know. Take out the camera, buddy.
This is Darwaja. And we are now inside the fort.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
There are the monkeys.
I don't wanna waste what's left.
And there are two monkeys.
Storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Sudan is enjoying the cold water. How is it, Sudan? It's very cool now.
Yeah. It's awesome.
Guys, the climate here is very, very cold. It's about, I think, 18 degrees, na?
Yeah. Maybe.
Maybe 18 degrees.
Below 18 degrees, not above.
Okay, let's climb. So guys, this is Narayan Darwaja. This is the main entrance of the fort. And we are going inside.
वो टाइम पे कैसा लगा ना
See, it's very slippery, man. Hanuman Darwaza. See the size of the chain. It's very heavy. So guys, we are on the top here. As you can see, all the clouds are coming down, and see the view from here. It's very scary. The view
Yeah,
is
more
awesome.
than scary than a Conjuring 2.
Yeah, the view is awesome, man. I don't know you can see in the camera or not, but all the clouds are coming down and they are flowing all around. Yeah, you can feel the clouds.
You can smell.
Yeah, it smells a little weird.
It has.
Yeah, yeah. Here's a temple, as you can see. Its name is Raja Rani Mandir. It's very cold now, guys. It's around 18 degrees, 18 degrees.
Yes, and I'm still sweating.
Because you're wearing all jackets and all.
Oh my god, so really awesome.
So guys, look at the view. As you can see,
We are at the top of the fort.
yeah,
You can see actually here is the sunshine and we got rain from there. See, it's raining heavily from there.
yeah.
It's awesome, nice view.
It's shadow over there and there is sunlight over there.
Beautiful. Really. Worth of bunking the offices. Right guys?
Yeah,
Really nice. Oh, look at this.
I think the camera is not doing the justice to the view, man.
It's like, what can I say?
Yeah.
Faces of nature.
Yeah, you can see there there is sunshine,
Yeah, you
and
can see sunshine here and you can see
here
the
is the
black
shadow.
side. It's all about karma.
Instantaneous. It's the dark of the moon, man.
Yes. It's rise of the moon, dawn of the...
You can barely see the clouds are moving over there.
Yeah,
Look at that. I guess we have to go there.
the clouds.
We should.
Hey brother, you can see that
And
stream
the
there?
sunlight.
I think yes, we should
What?
go there.
Stream. You got it, son.
Yeah. Guys, this is the Mahadev Mandir. It's a small temple. So you can see above up here.
Guys, wind is damn heavy.
Yeah, the breezes are very cold.
Yeah.
And this is Trambak Talao. It is Trambak Lake. A small lake. I think they used to drink this water.
Drink.
Yeah. Very cool, man. The breeze is very cool.
Actually.
Yeah. I'm feeling very fresh, actually.
Once in the life, we should come over here.
Yeah. Definitely, we should visit this place. Logot Fort. It's worth it, guys.
You can see the difference between city and the
Yeah.
open space.
Just look at it. Everywhere clouds, guys. Clouds are coming down.
Now we are totally confused that where we came. Don't know the road. Damn right.
Here is another small
That we are
lake. Yeah, where are they?
I don't know.
Let's find them. So, guys,
We are at the top.
yeah. And here is a little cliff here.
There is a dam, but you can't see.
Yeah, you can barely see anything because of the clouds.
Yeah.
Or the clouds are coming down and it's damn.
And the feeling is really
Blurry.
awesome.
Come here, guys. Oh man, Nandu, check out the view.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I think now you can see the dam.
Yeah. Woo! It's very cool. Oh man. The wind is so strong. You see over here. Because of wind pressure, the water is coming upwards.
Now you guys, you won't believe us.
Yeah. Woo! Yeah.
Below 10 feet is raining heavy.
Yeah.
You can see the waterfall.
You can see the waterfall. The water is coming upside due to the air pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah, reverse waterfall. It is reverse waterfall.
It is very risky to go over there.
Yeah. Oh man, it's damn cool, man. Damn cool. Yeah. And the dam over there, down. You can see. That is damn cool, man. That reverse waterfall. So guys, we are here On the other side, here is also a cliff, little cliff here. And these guys are taking pictures. And you see there are clouds everywhere. Guys, how is it feeling?
Do you remember from where we came?
Yeah, from Badlapur over here. It's like 90 kilometers
Yeah, right.
from our home. But it's worth it, man.
But seriously, it's worth it.
You can barely see anything, man, because of the clouds. Clouds are everywhere.
The first glance at National Highway, it was awesome.
Yeah. Polygon.
Hi guys. As you can see, this is the pond. It's called an elephant pond. It has 16 angles. See, you can see here.
Show them.
Show them, bhai.
See, it got 16 angles. Like a pentagon got 5 angles, this got 16 angles.
We can just say a mind-blowing piece of an engineering.
Yeah.
Why?
It's beautiful, it's beautiful.
Beautiful, guys. Yes, you can see this was built in 16th century. You can imagine how intelligent the people were.
Yeah.
This is a mountain and they have built a pond in top of the mountain.
top of the mountain, yeah.
Mind-blowing, yeah. Really, it's awesome.
Beautiful.
You should salute that engineer, right?
Let's go over there, man.
Yes.
Guys, we are going over there now. That is called Vinsu Kata.
Yeah, that.
It is called like that because it looks like a tail of a scorpion. If you can see from here. Let me zoom in. So you can see, it looks like a tail of a scorpion. So Anandu, let's go there. It looks very cool from here.
But it is damn far away.
Yeah, let's go. But we are going to Vinsukata, and you can see the road is very dangerous. You can fall down the valley. The breeze is very cold, but it feels very nice, man. Then also you came, but it's worth it, man. It's very cold.
Always remember, whenever you go somewhere, take the medicines,
Yeah,
every precaution.
carry at least the first aid and the basic medicines with you. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not because of the wind sound, the noise. Guys, this is called Vinsukada. You can see it is Vinsukada, not Vinsukata or Vinsukata. To go there, it's from here, man. It's very dangerous.
It's very, you can see it.
Yeah.
It's been visible.
No, we
it
cannot
seems-
see anything.
It seems like Jurassic Park.
Yeah.
I'm very afraid of going out there.
The road is very dangerous, as you can see.
There
We
might
have
be
to go
dinosaurs.
down from there.
There might be dinosaurs.
No, man.
Yes.
Let's go.
Girish,
There might be a fucking aerodactyl, I don't know.
As you can see, guys, it is a very steep
Road and the guys are actually running. They can't stop. Why are these guys laughing so much, man? Well, the breeze is too high.
I slipped. I didn't fall, but I slipped very hard, man.
it's all about instant karma.
Instantaneous karma.
It's not a route, brother.
It's a blockade, man. It's a blockade. There's no route over there. We have to go through this
We have to go
narrow
down
place.
from here.
This is so dangerous.
Holy.
Guys, be careful. Guys, be careful, man. He can't control his laugh, man. He can't control his laugh.
Is he pregnant?
Go, man. Man, be careful.
He's ain't with the D. I'm gonna die, man.
It's very slippery, man. Very slippery.
Oh, follow me, guys. I have to do for my fans, man. I have to do this for my fans.
You don't have any friends.
Thank you for reminding that. Thank you. I got to make new friends, man. I got to make new friends.
Oh, man, it's very dangerous.
It's not so dangerous.
And it's slippery, man. guys, see you there on the Vinsukada. So guys, see, it's very dangerous to climb down here.
See guys, it's really dangerous.
Yeah.
Unless and until you wore a woodland shoes. Woodland shoes are very best.
Come down, man, come down. Be careful. Be careful.
Rupees 3,000 rupees.
Come down.
Yes, coming, brother.
Be careful.
Yeah, it's very.
It's
Well,
very
you can see a little pussy climbing down a little rock.
It's very dangerous and
You guys
slippery,
are
man.
very lucky.
City here. Woo! Oh my God.
Be careful.
He's awakening his monkey skills, man.
We have to climb down more.
Hey brother, can you please
To go
click some
to-
pics of ours?
Vinsukada. Man, it's dangerous.
He says no.
Please, brother.
Why, man? Why?
Wait some minute. Please, guys, wait here.
No, no, no. Let's go. Let's go. Don't wait.
Let's go.
Go, let's go.
Go, bro.
Come on, let's go.
Bro, go. Let's wait.
Come on, Girish. Let's go. Let's go ahead.
Follow me.
Now it's not so dangerous here, but that climb down was very dangerous. It was really dangerous. So guys, if you come here, be careful, and mostly you must wear shoes, at least shoes. Don't wear sandals or slippers. Guys, it's too far away, man. Girish, it's too far away. We thought like it is like 100 and 200 meters, but it's too long.
If not of this railing, I would have not made of this railing.
Made here alive. But we made it. We made it. We climbed down from there. From here it looks very dangerous, man. Really, it's dangerous.
I don't know how we did this.
Yeah, I don't know how we did this.
Someone might have committed suicide. But he put the railing here.
But guys, keep in mind, we have to climb back. From we came, we have to climb back.
And guys, please don't try this at home, school, or any colleges.
No more place.
अरे घर पे कोई रहता है क्या कभी कट्टा?
Things like that. This is beautiful. Seriously beautiful.
Yeah. We finally reached Vinsukada, and little update. This place is also called Vinsukata Buruz. So it's also called Vinsukata and Vinsukada. So guys, look at the view.
You can see the whole.
Yeah. And this is a Bhagwa Jhenda. The spirit of the Shivaji Maharaj. The orange flag.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Ki Jai. The view is awesome, guys.
Bhavani.
It's worth it, man, to come here. We thought like that it was 100-200 meters, but it's like 1 kilometer.
Yeah. More than
Yeah,
1
from
kilometer,
there.
I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, more than 1 kilometer, I think. And it's not easy to come here.
It's not easy.
So guys, this is a view from the Vinsukada. It's awesome. Guys, now we are heading towards the fort
Yeah.
from the Vinsukada. So let's see you there. Peace. So guys, we are here at the fort. We came back from the Vinsukada. As you can see, this is the Ganesh Darwaja that we came before. So guys, let's climb down now
Yeah.
and let's head to home. We will have some lunch first, and then we will head to home. Okay? So let's climb down, man. Let's go. So guys, we climbed down.
Yeah.
As you can see, here are our bikes.
This is Achula.
So we will have lunch here or somewhere while going home.
Most in Badlapur.
Okay, so
Right
let's
now we
see where we can get good lunch.
Right now we are planning to have snacks.
Okay.
Not heavy food.
Hi guys, welcome back again. It was very nice fun up going there. Actually now it's rush, right?
Yeah.
So many people coming there. When we headed, it was very nice, very cool.
Yes.
Let's take a helmet.
Yeah, let's take 1 minute. So we'll have lunch here or while going home on the road somewhere.
As you can see, guys, we are heading home. And this is the view that we saw earlier. Right now we are climbing down. Well, you can see Sultan behind, and he has all the equipment.
So guys, we had loads of fun over here. You can see the waterfall behind. We couldn't take the phone up there because of the water, but we had a lots of fun. So now,
Tell them about the red blood.
Yeah. some fool just got some red color put in the water.
Yeah.
We thought
We thought it was blood.
yeah, and we run
we
like
ran.
quick.
I was quite afraid there, man.
Yeah, man.
I thought someone might have fallen and hit.
Just look at the view, man.
Yes.
Just look at the view.
Let's show them that.
So now we will change our clothes and we will head on to have some lunch.
So we are ready to move.
Okay, so guys, see you there. Peace. So guys, this is how the waterfall looks. And we went to the top there. Here.
This is the safest waterfall I have ever seen.
Yeah. And the water falls so hard on your body. Man, it's like someone is beating you with a stick or something. So guys, we have stopped here at Hotel Rohit to have our lunch.
These guys doesn't have anything. They don't have anything. They don't have soup. They don't have triple rice. They have nothing. It's a bullshit.
Yeah,
So-
we just ordered plain fried rice here.
Yeah, these guys ordered plain fried rice and I ordered a veg thali. So guys,
It's heavily raining.
yeah, it's heavily raining.
Just show them, man. Show them.
Actually we stopped. It was sunny and now suddenly it's raining. So guys, we had our lunch here. The lunch was okay. Now we are heading to home.
On we'll go, finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, we reached Badlapur and now Girish and Nandu will go home from that way and I will go home from this way. So
Approx 2 hours to reach here.
yeah, approx 1 hour 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Approx 2 hours. So it's 5 in the evening now and hope you guys like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Peace.